Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Lexus IS250 transmission fluid. Unlike many vehicles, the IS250 has a sealed transmission, meaning there is no dipstick for a quick check. This requires a specialized drain and fill method to ensure proper fluid levels and performance. Using the correct Toyota Genuine ATF WS fluid is absolutely critical to avoid damage. We will guide you through each step, focusing on accuracy and safety. Before starting, ensure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a 5mm hex key, 14mm socket, and 24mm socket for the various plugs. A fluid pump is crucial for adding new fluid, as there is no traditional fill tube. Most importantly, an infrared thermometer or a diagnostic scan tool is required to monitor the transmission fluid temperature accurately during the level check. Have at least 4 quarts of Toyota Genuine ATF WS fluid on hand. Begin by warming the transmission fluid to its specified temperature, ideally between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. With the vehicle level, remove the main drain plug and carefully collect all the fluid, measuring the exact volume. This measurement is vital for refilling. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 15 foot-pounds. Then, using your fluid pump, add the same measured amount of new Toyota Genuine ATF WS fluid through the fill port. After refilling, start the engine and cycle the transmission through all gear positions, pausing for about 3 seconds in each. With the engine still running and the transmission at the correct temperature, remove the overflow plug. Allow any excess fluid to drain until it slows to a steady trickle. This indicates the correct fluid level. Finally, reinstall the overflow plug, torquing it to 15 foot-pounds, and secure the fill plug to 29 foot-pounds. Your transmission fluid change is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.